Look who visited me here in Lubbock!
Hi guys! Hi to Clara's viewers!
Grace has been my friend since college. So from Austin siya and then decided to visit me here sa Lubbock. So itutour ko siya around Lubbock. Okay, are you ready?
I am ready.
Welcome to the Windmill Museum. Liza, how's the American Windmill Museum? Did you like it? Wow. Sobrang cloudy guys and then windy. But it's nice. Come in. Hi guys. Ito nag-stop kami ni Goiza here sa lalim ng bridge. Guys, super hail as in out of nowhere. Parang meron kasing thunderstorm watch ngayon dito. Tapos, hindi ko naman alam na mag-hail. Sobrang lakas. So, we're just chilling here. Just Liza. Ipahina lang namin ng konti kasi kawawa din yung sasakyan. Baka ma-dent. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. So, ayun. Hindi naman siya super laki but still, pa rin. Ang dami. So scary.
Hi guys! I'm heading back. I'm heading back to Austin right now.